We are now about to enter the land of yoga poses and models and all the other people that like to pose on what they call the Gold Stream Trestle. But because I'm over 50 now and I can be a curmudgeon, I know that it's really Niagara Creek, and it's actually a bridge, not a trestle. And it's not just a normal bridge, it's a cantilever truss bridge. I think that's pretty cool. And I'm going to try to get some good photographs of the cantilever stuff underneath. And I'll forego doing yoga poses and just enjoy the view with no people. That's fabulous. So I am approaching from the north. Nice curve on the north side. Somewhere down off here is likely where the original line was. Oh, this is nice sunlight. Nice. There's Niagara Creek. Oh, way down there. And here's part of the cantilever structure and the stone abutments. Kind of nice. Here we are looking south, near the south end. Idea of the height of this cantilever bridge. On the park trail off the south end of the bridge. So we're going to get a nice view of all the cantilever glory. Which is really what I'm interested in. And there we are. She is a bridge. Wow. That is really nice. So here at the south end of Niagara, looking south, just beyond the bend, is where the original line branched off to the right from the way that we're looking. And then when they brought the bridge over from Cisco on the Fraser River, they created this alignment. Yeah, this is a nice spot out of the sun. Get a good shot of the cantilever, I hope. So I'm at the Southeast Refuge Bay at Niagara. Gonna see what I can see. Pardon the flip. Just want to see more of the cantilever structure. I've seen two groups of people this morning. So there are early morning hikers, just not crazy early morning rail photographers like me. So heading north, where there will be no one else. It is getting warm. So here's an example. That's one of the ties. That's just not so great here. Yeah. Most of the other ones are pretty darn good. So there are not too many that are like that one. Found a nice spot. This is off the north end. Center span part of it seems so short from this angle, but from Mr. Wilkie's photographs of the dayliner right in the middle of it, it is long. Another angle, a little bit lower down. I gotta get back up. That'll be fun. this is where you never know if this is the best angle you're going to get. Then when you're done, you end up with 5 different angles. And the last one you saw, that's where it came from. The last angle you see is the one you keep. All the other ones you didn't know were going to be also rands. Oh, that's beautiful. I am really happy with the views that I found here in Goldstream Park of the Niagara Trestle from underneath. Ugh, Niagara Bridge. Oh, I'm busted.